Okay, so here we are, we're in Keynote, and so this is the exact same presentation that I was just using in PowerPoint, only I've opened it in Keynote on the Mac. And once again, we have these series of slides that are here that we can scroll through. It looks very similar to PowerPoint, and reordering them works very much the same way. If I wanted to come down here, if I'm teaching a lesson and I wanted to reverse these two slides here, I could very simply just grab one and just lift it up wherever I wanted it, right? And just drag it, move it around. And just like before, I'm clicking and then I'm dragging it up and down, and I can drop it wherever I want to have this particular slide at. Now, one of the things with this that you'll notice is, unlike PowerPoint, Keynote has some things that you can do. And I'm going to make these a little bit bigger so that you can hopefully see it a little bit more clearly. But if you notice on some of these, they're actually already grouped together. So for instance, when you look at Great Change, here's one of the songs, right? Great Change. And you're going to notice that this second slide, it's indented a little bit. And then the next slide is indented a little bit below that. One of the things that Keynote allows you to do is to have a slide and then have a sub-slide, right? And so literally this little arrow next to it here, I don't know if this shows up on your screen or not, but if you play with Keynote, you can close that. And now this contains all of those slides in there. They'll still play when you play the slideshow. It just doesn't show them all here. But if you wanted to move them, I could grab this, and like before, if I hit the command and click, I can select a second one with it, but now this is the entire song is here. And so now I can move this entire song. If I wanted to take it and go somewhere different with it, I can do that, and it'll drop it wherever I end up dropping it. So it works the same way. I mean, it's click, and you can select each one individually, or if you have them set up this way, you can actually just minimize that, and then when you select this one, it'll move that, and as well as everything else that is in there with it. And so you might have noticed it was kind of bouncing and doing things. That's because the mouse I have is not designed for this computer, but that's how it works. It's really just that simple. Grab it, drag it, drop it where you want it. That's all there is to moving and reordering slides. And again, if you have any questions about that, or you're not sure how would I go about doing that, I'm trying to do it and it's not working, give me a call. I'd be happy to help you out with that.